Bon appetit! This is our simple ingredients French toast. If you have some bread, some egg, some milk, some sugar or mascovado, vanilla extract, salt, butter, you're pretty much good to go. For every slice of bread that you're gonna do, you're gonna need around half a cup of milk. So with this, since we have 4 bread, so we're gonna do 2 cups. So 2 cups of milk, 2 cups. There you go. And of course, for peas, I'm gonna use an egg. Just gonna put it there. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of vanilla. 2. And mascovado, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon for each bread. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget to always add a pinch of salt for every 2 slices. And yes, whisk. Whisk. So the next step would be put our bread in the mix. One butter pour bread. That's good. I'm gonna wait till the middle part just firms up like the sides. Add some whipping cream. Bon appetit!